Hi friends, today I have a very good news to share. Our channel Lifestyle by Sudeshnas has completed its first milestone of 100 subscribers. Thank you for all your love and affection. Hope we keep on increasing this family with all your support. Thank you viewers for showing all your love. Now enjoy the video.
And moisturizing is a part of our day-to-day life. But do you know the harmful chemicals that are present in your skincare resume that makes your skin more damaged than repairing it? Hi, I am Sudeshna and welcome to my channel Lifestyle by Sudeshnas. Today I will be showing you some natural way of skincare. For quite a few months, me and my sister is using Just Her products and we found it quite beneficial. Since we both have a normal skin type, so we use the product range that is suitable for all skin type. Now let me show you the products one by one.
Silk Splash Rehydrate Face Wash. It contains neem and orange and suitable for all skin type. It has an amazing smell. It comes in a bottle of 100 and 200 ml pack. Now let me show you the application. First wet your face and then apply adequate quantity over your face and neck. Massage gently in a circular motion. Once you complete the massage, you can wash it off with regular water and then you can see the difference. Next, as a toner, we use Just Her Rose Water Facial Mist. This is 100% natural with no artificial fragrance. It is alcohol free and it is steam distilled. It comes in a 100 ml spray bottle. Now let me show you the application. You can spray it all over your face, avoiding the eye area, and let it dry for few seconds. Next is Elixir Facial Serum. It is one of the top rated product of Just Herbs. It comes in a 15 ml pack. It nourishes the skin and makes it healthy. To apply it on your skin, just pump a peanut size in your finger and apply it all over your face and neck. Just dab it on your face. It is very lightweight and fragrance free. It gets absorbed in the skin quickly and it is gentle on the skin. Last but not the least in the skincare resume is moisturizing the skin. This is Just Her Nourishing Facial Massage Cream with natural ingredients like ashwagandha and sandalwood. It comes in a 100-gram bottle. To apply it on your skin, take a generous amount and apply it all over your face and neck. When you massage your face, it stimulates blood circulation, relaxes the facial muscles and gives you a glowing skin. Other than daily CTM routine, twice a week I use Just Her Apricot Scalpel Skin Radiance Scrub. In the skincare regime, scrubbing is very necessary to remove dead cells and exfoliate your skin. The texture of the Just Her scrubber is not harsh as it is made of natural ingredients. It comes in a 100 ml jar. I am showing you the texture. You see how gentle it is. This is a Just Her Instaglow Almond Complexion Mask. This is a clay-based mask. Use it once in a week. Apply it over a clean face and neck and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with a lukewarm water while massaging with your fingertips. At night, after washing my face with Silk Splash Facial, I use Kimchi Glow Boosting Facial Oil. It nourishes the skin and makes it healthy, gives it an even skin tone, improves complexion and fight with the signs of aging. It is a multitasking product. It comes in a cute little bottle. Just apply 2-3 drops over your face and massage it gently till it gets absorbed. At the bedtime, I end my day with Just Herbs a Fair Night Cream. It comes in a 50-gram bottle. Now I will show you the texture of the cream. It has a great smell and the color of the cream is also very nice. All the Just Herbs products have no paraben and no mineral oil. Now let me show you the application of the night cream. It has a great texture and smell. Just take an adequate amount in your hand and massage it over the face till it gets absorbed. Now you are ready to go for a good night's sleep.
Friends, I have shown you the Just Herbs day care and the night care resume. Now let me tell you that this is not a promotional video. I used this product and found it helpful, so I thought to make a video over it. Now if you are also using the Just Herbs products, please comment below, or if you find this product helpful, you can also comment below. Just Herbs products are available only in select cities offline in the select stores, but it is available online in all leading brand stores like Amazon, Nykaa or any other store. I am also giving you the links in the description box so that you can check it. Product wise link has also been shared. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please encourage us so that we can make more video like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Lifestyle by Sudeshnas. Thank you.